I'm not fully new to this, but I have another account on my other phone that I would do videos like these. I will try to maybe try to remember the account, so yeah, you guys can go check it out. Just to clarify this, I do not have a script. I'm just gonna go with whatever starts in my mind. This is gonna be a very ex-listener. And also it has Emma and Norman and Isabella / mom in it. And if you hear background noises, it's because my sister's like walking around. She has dogs and stuff. But just to clarify, I do not sound like anyone. I do not sound like any of these characters. Especially Emma, because I have a very more deep voice. So I will see what I could do, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna start, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this, because I know I'm not gonna enjoy this, because yeah, whatever. Enough of me ranting. I hear my sister. Okay, sorry. Okay, we're gonna start. This is Isabella, by the way. Okay. I get nervous. I'm nervous. I can't do it. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna do this. So, Emma goes, like, to the library where Ray was. This is Emma. Ray, Mom said there's gonna be a new kid, and she needs all of us downstairs. Emma, I'm trying to read. I really don't care about the new kid. It's just another baby. You don't know. It could be Sonari. Emma, all we ever get is little babies. There's no way we're gonna get someone our age. Oh, come on. You're always a downer. Whatever, I'll go downstairs in a little bit. Well, hurry up. Mom wants us downstairs. Okay, downstairs. And Ray was already down there. Time skip. This is Isabella. Kids, this is Listener. And she is 11. So Ray, Emma, and Norman, Gilda, and Dawn, I would like you guys to hang out with her more, because she is your guys' age. So, yeah, just try to hang out with her more. And Emma, can you, if you hear singing, that's my sister, I'm so sorry. And Emma, I would like you to show her around the house. Okay, kids, you can all go outside. This is Emma. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty, aren't they, Norman? Yeah, they're really pretty. Right? Yeah, whatever. Oh, you're so such a downer. Anyways, hi, I'm Emma. And this is Norman, and this is Ray, my friends, and that's Dawn and Gilda. Wait, what's your name again? Sorry, I forgot. Listener, oh, that's such a pretty name. Norman and Ray, introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Norman. She already told you that, but, it's nice to meet you. Oh my god, I had a voice crack. Okay. This is Ray. Hi, I'm Ray, as Emma already said. Hi, I'm Gilda. Hi, I'm Dawn. Okay, well, This is gonna be okay, well, I'm gonna go play tag. Do you wanna join us, listener? Oh no, you don't want to? Oh. Okay, well, I'm gonna force you to. But we should go outside. Go on. So they all go outside, you know, blah blah blah. They start playing tag, and you sitting at Ray's tree, like you know, Ray's tree, not Ray's tree, the tree Ray always sits at. And then Ray came outside to see you sitting there, and he looks at you. Again, this is Ray and you. I'm not gonna say listener's part, I'm sorry. But if I ever do say listener's part, I'm so sorry. Okay, that's right. Oh, hi. Yeah, I didn't expect you to be on. I was expecting you to be playing tag with the others. Because you seem like a person to be playing tag or something. What is that supposed to mean? Nothing, just don't worry about it. Also, okay, I forgot my line. Okay. You like to read instead? Guess we have something in common. Nothing. I didn't say nothing. And I'm just gonna read. I'm gonna just sit down and just read. So you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna be reading. What book? Just this one. He shows the book. Hold on. I actually gave you guys a book. A title. Never mind. I can't find my books. Anyways, get back to the video. Yeah, it's this one. You want to read it with me? Sure. You hold this side. I have like a little notebook that I'm gonna use as a book. Okay, you use that side. And I'm gonna use this side. And like he's reading, you guys were reading for a little while. And then, sorry. And then you fell asleep. If I stop for a little while, it's because my sister came in. But yeah, you guys were reading for a little while, and you fell asleep on Ray's shoulder. And then, they fell asleep. And then Emma comes. Hi, Ray. Oh, that's so cute. She fell asleep on your shoulder. Shut up, Emma. Okay, jeez. Sorry. They're adorable. Yeah, they're adorable. See, Ray. Just shut up, Emma. Oh, come on, you're such a downer, you're always so moody. So do you like a listener? No, we barely just met. Why would I listener? No, anything can happen. Whatever. What am I supposed to do with her? Wake her up? Am I supposed to wake her up or... No, don't wake her up, Ray. Bring her to bed. Carry her. Carry them? Sorry, I didn't mean to say her. I'm so sorry. Carry them. I'm not gonna carry them. What the hell? Come on, Ray, just do it. If not, I'll just carry it. No, don't touch her.
Yeah.
Right, jeez. Overprotective, Mike. Shut up. Then he carries you, blah blah blah, and you're walking upstairs. He puts you down in the bed, and then he's like, and then he leaves, and like, yeah. And this is where I'm gonna end it. I will make a part 2. But yeah, also, I'm sorry about the voices. I know I'm not good at them. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. And I love I love all of y'all very much. And yeah, bye bye. This is gonna take forever.